So let's start by inserting the router module into the chassis. Plug it in, and it's going to take a few minutes for it to boot, and we're going to watch this run light, and when it starts blinking, we know it's operational. So here we are at the back of the rack, and we need to plug in this adapter cable to get networking into the router. So we plug that into the network serial port, and we have an RJ45 network cable that we're going to plug into the adapter. This is used for automation and serial control. So the next step is to set the IP address. So we're going to use the touch screen to do that. We navigate to the module, and we can change the IP address. So I'm going to change my IP address to something that's within my subdomain of my network. Hit save, and now it's saved into the memory of the 9430.